Assalamualaikum and good day to everyone. My name is Akmal Hisyam bin Idris, and here I am to mark the start of our presentation for Fermentation Process Technology Assignment DAK 23703. So the title of our presentation is Production of Bioethanol from Sweet Lime Peel. Next up, meet our team. It consists of 4 gentlemen. That is Nadzri Bin Najhan, Azzumar bin Abdullah, Syafrizal Bin Shuhaili, and lastly me, Akmal bin Idris. Well, to start off, this is a brief introduction. Well, what is bioethanol? For starter, bioethanol is environmentally friendly fuel created through the fermentation of sugar. So, the sweet lime peel, that is a byproduct of fruit rich in sugars and cellulose, would act as an affordable source of material. That is, utilizing it aids in minimizing waste to promote sustainable energy generation. Well, moving on, so this is the carbon footprint for the production of bioethanol from sweet lime peel. So, as we know, sweet lime peel is an agro-industrial waste. So, it would have low overall greenhouse gases emission. Well, there might be some possible emission, that is when it in pre-treatment process, such as during its acid hydrolysis, or even when the energy used for fermentation and distillation. Other than that, for the environmental carbon footprint, compared to conventional fuels, bioethanol from fruit peels has significantly lower life cycle emission. Well, the next part is the resource use. So, for the feedstock, the sweet lime peel, the production of this bioethanol, we utilize waste material, that is lime peel. So, it is easier to obtain and no need for use of fertilizer to grow this biomass. The water and energy, that is, we require water and energy for pre-treatment process, fermentation and distillation. There is one more, that is chemical. Well, based on our research, we referred there are some use of chemical, that is diluted sulfuric acid and yeast. So, what is the environmental impact of producing bioethanol using sweet lime peel? There would be some positive and negative impact. Positive impact being it would reduce agro waste and potential methane gases from decomposition. Not only that, it would also displace fossil fuel with a renewable biofuel. On the other hand, the negative impact would be there is some chemical use may generate effluent requiring treatment. That is, when after producing bioethanol, the usage of our acid would generate some effluent that is not good for disposal and require treatment. And lastly, the energy intensive steps, that is, if powered by non-renewable, may reduce net gains or the total gains of bioethanol.
Okay, moving on, I am your next presenter and I'll be telling you about the fermentation process and the use of microbial organism in the production of bioethanol from lime peel, sweet lime peel. For the fermentation process, we are using SSF which is simultaneous saccharifation and fermentation process, which integrates the hydrolysis of complex carbohydrate, cellulose and pectin into fermentable sugar with the fermentation of the sugar into ethanol in a single step, which optimizes efficiency and reducing processing time. Moving on to the role of microbioorganisms in converting sugar into ethanol. Microbioorganisms such as yeast feed on glucose and didn't need oxygen to survive this very process called anaerobic fermentation. The yeast help turn the sugar or glucose in two things, which is ethanol, our desired product for bioethanol fuel, and carbon dioxide, the gas that released in the process while we are doing it.
For the next section, we'll be covering about sustainability consideration from sweet lime peel. I am Nadzri Bin Najhan, will be the next presenter in this section. From our research, that sweet lime peel can produce a high yield of bioethanol, as much as 71%. With this conclusion, we can conclude that bioethanol from sweet lime peel can bring a lot of beneficial, either in renewable energy sources or energy security. First of all, in renewable energy sources, it will bring a lot of help in producing the bioethanol, because of bioethanol that is from this lime sweet peel is biomass, and it's hardly deplete and can easily be regenerated. Furthermore, in energy security, bioethanol can help in replace or blend with a petrol. With this, sweet lime peel will be the alternative choices in producing bioethanol, and will be the alternative choices for replacing a fossil fuel and further reducing carbon emission in the air, and will improving national energy security. That's all from me. Thank you.
Okay, so let's take a look at the simple flowchart. So at the flowchart we can see there is a 4 step of production. So the first one is the collection. So the outer piece of the sweet lime fruit are collected at the starting as the biomass. And then the second part is the pre-treatment, where the peels undergo a pre-treatment process to break down complex substances and make the sugar more accessible for fermentation. And then the next part, where is the fermentation process. The pre-treated material is transferred to a fermentation chamber, where microorganisms convert the sugars into ethanol. And the last process is the bioethanol extraction, which is the fermented product that is processed to extract and purify bioethanol, which can be used as a renewable fuel source.